I know this is not my usual production quality and not where I film ever, especially not car part videos, but I'm so excited. It's dark right now. I'm gonna install these tomorrow, but this is a package from One Performance, and it's for the F87 M2. So the box may have been out of frame when I cut it, but we're gonna take a look here, see what's inside. So it's packaged pretty well, and you can see I have 3 pieces. So I have piece 1, piece number 2, and piece number 3. Let's get started with the big one first. This is the sort of basic carbon lip for the trunk. So, wow, this is a beautiful piece. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'll try and zoom in on the detail, but the carbon weave looks beautiful. And there's the back side of it. You can see that it has a drilled hole here. I'm assuming we have, yep, another one there. It's marked F87 on the bottom side, but I believe that it does just connect with adhesive, if I remember correctly. So I'm gonna keep this one wrapped up. This install, I wanna make sure it gets aligned correctly, so definitely not gonna do that one alone, but I'll wrap that up again in a second. As you can see, super light, it's real carbon. Yeah, so that's nice. So that's awesome. And then here, I'm excited, this is going on the front end of the car. Rip that open, and these definitely just go on with adhesive. So it definitely doesn't make the car lighter. It doesn't do anything for aerodynamics, but it does add some carbon. You can see right there. So let's get this carefully ripped open. Wow, these pieces are so light. Check this out. I mean, it's carbon fiber, so it makes sense that it's light, but I've never had carbon pieces before. This is for the front sort of upper splitter. So it's gonna go, I believe this is on the right side. So this is gonna go into the front bumper. And so that's gonna line up right there. You can see on the inside, you can knock on it, you can hear that. But then on the opposite side, we have the opposing piece, like so. And let me bring this up to the camera. I know the lighting's not great, so actually I'll move the camera over here. But check out that carbon. There we go, you can see my reflection in it. It's so beautiful. So, there it is. I'll check the box. Hopefully it came with the adhesion, if that's how it holds onto the car, which I believe it is. I don't really know where the spots would be. I think it would be here, and then maybe one on the inside or on the corner there. Not the cleanest. Right there, you can see, I mean, maybe there's some gunk. I don't think it's returned or anything, but the part that does matter is the front, the outside, and that's super clean, so who cares? You'll never see the backside, but look at that. I mean, it goes, hopefully it's in focus here, it goes all the way to the edge. So yeah, I'm just excited. I want to share this with a couple of the other guys. If you are ordering parts and you're waiting for them and you're excited like I was, this was supposed to get here in like a week. It took almost 2 weeks because I messed up on my apartment number again, but yeah, beautiful piece, super light. I'm excited to get this on the car.